Back with a video. Today I'll be doing the well, I'm not doing the unboxing, but I got something to improve my workflow, whatnot, what I got going on. I got my little small table saw. It's all right, but it's kind of small, and I wanted to get some bigger cuts out of it or whatnot. So I had to go and pick up this depth of saw today, and, you know, to make the job a whole lot easier. That's what it's about. Just a small investment, so you know, so I can get the enclosures done or whatever work I got to do on my own truck or whatever is going on. Got a few more items to pick up, but I've been getting a little bit at a time. Of course, I'll have a video, a picture or so of the small Ryobi table saw that I had at first, but I still got it. I'm gonna still use it or whatnot, but I figured I'd pick up some stuff really to speed this process up. Went and picked up this Craig tool as well. So hopefully everything will work out. Like I say, I was looking at getting the soft stomp saw, but of course I couldn't go get that one local, so that was kind of an issue. And the price too was a little bit more, so I figured I'd start with this one, and then I'll get the may do the soft stomp later. Not really for sure, but I'm gonna do the 52-inch extension wings. I mean, you have table, rails, and all of that on this one. I'm gonna have to buy it. That's an add-on, so I'm gonna get that and add that on to this one, and make it where I can cut up to 52 inches out on the rails and all of that or whatnot. But of course, y'all know I do an unboxing video once I get everything situated in the spot where I'm gonna put it at. I'm gonna make sure I put the video, I mean, like a little clip or something of my small table saw. I'm not sure if y'all know about the contractor saws or not. On these are a little bit bigger than those little table saws, but table saw get the job done if you know what you're doing with it. I'm just not really that good with that little small saw. It'll work, but it just go to tipping over when you put big pieces on it and stuff like that, and it's not real upgradable. So I wanted something I can upgrade and kind of do whatever I needed to do, and with a nice size fence on it. So be sure to like, subscribe. Just bring y'all a quick video of what's going on. We're gonna start doing some building on this channel, a little something different than what we usually do. We're gonna try to keep it car audio for sure, but we're gonna start showing the process a little bit. Of course, I've been working on the truck. I got a little bit of video of that, but I hadn't uploaded it out. But stay tuned. Be sure to hit that like, subscribe, share the videos, and be sure to use the links down below. I'm gonna see y'all back in the next one. Appreciate y'all tuning in.
Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down.